Profile for Success program is a summer program. It's a 6-week enrichment program to help pre-dental students, with those who have an interest in dentistry, in navigating the admissions process, as well as the students are engaged in hands-on activities in the clinical foundations area. They will spend time with us immersed in working with staff, faculty, students who are mentors. Participants get a variety of experiences and exposures so they can see themselves, but also start to dream about what I can actually be when I get into the profession. PFS program was created to make sure that we can help to bring students who come from backgrounds that may have had disadvantage in the background, or students who come from groups that are underrepresented in the profession, to give them a space that can help hone their skills so they can say, yes, I can be a dentist.
Coming here and being surrounded by people who look like me, people who have the same goal as me, was just an amazing thing to be a part of. You get to see firsthand experience of what it is to truly be a student at the University of Michigan and dental school in general. PFS really instilled a sense of confidence for me. Someone who wasn't even thinking about even applying to dental school that cycle to taking the leap of faith to go ahead and apply, and getting into dental school was just transformative for me. This program is really what made me go ahead and be firm in my decision to become a dentist.
Our program is funded by alumni of our program, alumni of our school, of staff, faculty of our school, our leadership. Those funds are what helps to support the program today. So it will be my hope that the future of the program, when we come back 30 years from now, it will still be going on with individuals still coming and just as excited as our participants are each year, knowing that the opportunity that they have now for themselves, for their family, for communities that are underserved and disadvantaged are greater and made possible because of programs like Profile for Success.